How to download photos in Tumblr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download them. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm in my home page. So this is the place where you can find all the posts and feeds too. Now, in order to download the picture, go to the post or the picture that you want to download. So here I'm tapping on one, and now simply tap and hold on to the picture. Here you can find different options available. Here select download photo. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, the photo has been automatically saved. So Tumblr is a platform that provides this facility or this option too. Now you can easily view it in your gallery in your mobile phone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.